Okay, so now this is the update to how the grass looks like. I recently cut it really low. Watch my previous video of when I did first start with the plugins. All this came from plugins. I'm going to walk around the yard so you can see how it's grown. There's still some patches. This is because we tried to cut it very low recently to get rid of those bumps that occur if you do plugins. Over time, those bumps will sort of fade. Like if you see this area, this hardly has any bumps, but this is where the stage that the lawn is at now. It's grown quite a lot. This is about, let's see how many months. This is about a year, 2 years now, I think, almost 2 years since we first plugged the grass. Some areas are struggling, some are good, but most have grown in very well, I must say. It's pretty much where I want it to be, but I'm still trying to create that golf course look. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me move back. Sorry for the bouncing camera. This is a mobile phone thing, so okay, this is how it looks. All right, as you can see, I'm going to walk around. Please watch my previous video of how this lawn started. This is Zoysia grass, and it's come along well. It's decent now, to be honest. This, if you had seen how dry some of the, or rocky, stony, the ground was, you didn't think that the lawn would look like this, or was a good idea to plant the lawn, but it's grown in pretty well. Okay, let me take you on one last look around here. Okay, this is it, guys. This is a short video, so I think you shouldn't be afraid to plug in. You know, it's not the perfect lawn, but it's on its journey to becoming the kind of lawn that you want to have in the yard, you know. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.